Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you along while I clean my entire apartment. As you guys know, I have a very tiny studio apartment in downtown Toronto, so it doesn't take very long to clean, but it also means it doesn't take very long to get messy, so I feel like I'm always cleaning. And because my space is all one, nothing is separated, if there's a mess, even something as simple as my bed not being made makes the whole space look messy. I did not pre-clean anything for this video. I haven't really been home very much, so I've kind of just like left everything a mess, and now I need to clean it all up. So this is a very real video, but I hope you guys enjoy. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you back on my channel and turn on the post notifications because it will really help me out. I hope this motivates you to clean, and let's get started.
I like to start off by making my bed because it instantly makes my whole apartment look more tidy. My bed is in the corner of my apartment, so it's a little bit difficult to make. You'll see me struggle here, but it's all worth it. Moving along, I'm going to continue tidying up things around my apartment that need to be put away. So I have some laundry that had dried on my drying rack. I like to put it into the dryer for like 2 minutes just to get out all the wrinkles and kind of fluff it up before I hang it up. So I'm just putting away my drying rack and then collecting all the clothes that need to be put away from different areas of my apartment, whether it's like pajamas in the bathroom or things that I had just left laying out. I grab all the hangers, put everything in one place, and just hang up all of my laundry and put it away. Next, I'm going to tackle my kitchen. I can't believe it is this messy, so I just need to put everything away, do the dishes, and then wipe down the counters. Whenever I do the dishes especially, or any sort of cleaning, I like to wear rubber gloves so that it protects my manicure. Not only will it help my nail polish not to chip, but it'll help prevent your nails from breaking. When they get really wet, they break more easily. cleaning product that I'm using here, it is by Greenworks and it is a glass cleaner. It smells a lot better than Windex. And then I'm going to light a candle because nothing feels better than a clean space that also smells clean too. And then moving on to my desk, I'm just going to tidy up the surface, put everything away where it belongs, and then again wipe it down with that same Greenworks glass cleaner. On a weekly basis, I also like to dust off the tops of my surfaces. I have this really tiny duster that I think is supposed to go inside a car, but it works really well for my space. I find it picks up the dust really well, and then I'll shake it off on my balcony before putting it away. Now that I have worked from the top down, it is time to vacuum. I don't know why, but I enjoy vacuuming so much. I was so excited to buy my very own vacuum when I moved out for the first time. I know, I'm weird. This is a Shark vacuum that I got at Walmart. It gets the job done. Ideally, I would love to get a Dyson one day. A cordless vacuum as well would be nice, but this one is pretty good for the price point, and I haven't had any issues yet. So I can use it on hardwood or laminate like I have, and then also carpet. It gets the job done. So I'm just kind of tidying up, moving everything back into place, and fluffing up my couch pillows. I don't know why it is so satisfying to watch someone speed clean, but it makes me so happy. It makes me want to keep cleaning. So I hope this is motivation for you as well. So once I tidied up all the things that were on the countertops, I'm going to go ahead and clean the toilet and the sink with just some Comet. So I use the toilet bowl scrubber for my toilet, and then I have a scrubby brush that I use for the sink. And then I'm just going to wipe everything down, Windex the mirrors, again with that same Greenworks product, and disinfect the toilet seat and all that with my all-purpose cleaner. It's the same Greenworks cleaner, but it's all-purpose. So it's that one right there, the green one. And then the glass cleaner is the blue one. Wiping down the mirrors in the hallway are the last thing, and then this is my cleaned apartment. That was so much fun. Thanks for helping me, guys.
So that is about it for my cleaning routine, if you call it. Thank you for cleaning with me. It didn't take too long to tidy up my apartment, but I think the tidying up part took the longest, and then I did just some of my weekly cleaning, like vacuuming the floors, cleaning the bathroom, and dusting my furniture. Every other week I will include mopping as well, so I didn't do it this time. But I do have a sponge mop, and then I have like a laminate floor cleaner that I use on my laminate and the tile in the bathroom. So if you want to see maybe an in-depth cleaning routine, maybe for like spring cleaning or something, let me know. And I will be sure to do that. I like to keep things tidy, so I kind of like keep up with things on a weekly basis. But anyways, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not already, and give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!